In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Xero Network Key. Whether you're new to Xero or you've been using it for a while, finding your Xero Network Key is a vital step to ensuring smooth, streamlined operations with your business's financial transactions across the Xero platform. So let's dive in and simplify this process together. To start, once you're logged into your Xero account, you'll have access to your dashboard. This dashboard is essentially the control center of your Xero account. It gives you a broad overview of your financial situation and offers quick access to various tools and settings. Now from here, our next destination within this hub of financial activity is the Your Organization section. You might see your company's name right here. Simply click on it to proceed. This link takes you deeper into the settings and configurations specific to your organization, bringing us one step closer to locating that all-important network key. Now, once you're within your organization settings, be on the lookout for a button or a link labeled Settings. This should be visible and fairly straightforward to locate. Clicking here will open up a new layer of settings specific to your organizational operations within Xero, and it means we're closing in on the key destination of our journey. Inside this settings menu, you'll be hunting for an option labeled Xero to Xero. This quaintly named feature is actually your gateway to inter-organizational transactions and connections within the Xero ecosystem. By selecting Xero to Xero, you're now at the doorstep of the treasure we've been seeking. And here we are at the final step of our process. You should now see your Xero Network Key represented as a string of characters. This unique identifier is what allows your business to securely connect and transact with other entities on the Xero platform. At this point, locate the Copy button next to your network key. You'll want to hold on to this key, so by pressing Copy, you can easily save it to your clipboard, ensuring you're ready to paste and use it wherever it's required. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've navigated the depths of the Xero platform to find your network key. A small but mighty cog in the machine that keeps your financial operations running smoothly. Before we wrap up, a little pro tip. Always keep your network key secure and only share it with trusted partners and entities. This key acts much like a password, offering access to parts of your financial infrastructure, so its safety is paramount. Finding your Xero Network Key is just the beginning of what you can accomplish with this robust financial platform. I hope this guide has illuminated the process for you and perhaps even demystified a bit of the platform's inner workings. Remember, whether you're reconciling transactions, setting up connections with new business partners, or just doing a bit of financial housekeeping, Xero offers a slew of features designed to streamline and simplify. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you've got any more questions about Xero or there's another topic you'd like me to cover, don't hesitate to reach out. Until next time, keep navigating your financial journey with confidence and clarity.